breaking a bone, what happens first?
When a bone breaks, your body jumps into action. Blood rushes to the area, causing swelling. This forms a blood clot called a hematoma. The hematoma acts like a temporary plug, protecting the break and starting the healing process. Meanwhile, special cells move in to clean up damaged tissue, preparing the site for the next stage of repair.
Building a bridge, the soft callus phase.
A few days after the break, your body begins to form a soft callus. This is made of collagen, a flexible material produced by cells called chondroblasts. The callus bridges the gap between broken bone ends, acting as natural scaffolding. While this new tissue isn't yet hard, it stabilizes the area and gives the bone a chance to start rebuilding.
Hardening the repair, the hard callus forms.
After about a week or two, your body replaces the soft callus with a hard callus. Bone-forming cells called osteoblasts lay down new, solid bone material. This hard callus gradually restores the bone's strength. Even though the bone is mending, it's still weaker than before and needs protection from further injury.
Remodeling, perfecting the bone shape.
Over several months, your body carefully reshapes the repaired bone. Osteoclasts remove excess material, while osteoblasts continue to add new bone. This remodeling phase can take years, slowly returning the bone to its original size, shape, and strength. Often, the healed bone becomes nearly as strong or even stronger than before the break.
The science behind bone healing.
Bone healing is a complex and coordinated effort between different types of cells, signals, and blood supply. Nutrition, age, and rest all play roles in recovery time. Understanding these natural repair mechanisms helps doctors develop better treatments and therapies, helping people recover from fractures more effectively and return to their daily lives.